Hello students, this is the second part of unit first covalent bonding. Today we are going to discuss about bond order. So what is bond order? Number of covalent bond between the two atoms in molecule is called as bond order, or it is also called as bond multiplicity. So in terms of molecular orbital theory, it is the bond order is one half of difference between number of electron in bonding molecular orbital and number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital. Thus we have formula to calculate bond order, that is bond order is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So whatever we get, bond order 1, 2 or 3 corresponds to single, double and triple covalent bond. While if we get 0 bond order, then there is no bond formation between two atoms. Let's take example of H2 molecule, that is hydrogen molecule. In hydrogen molecule, we have two hydrogen atom each with 1s configuration. So here is one hydrogen atom with 1s configuration, and here is a second hydrogen atom with 1s configuration, and each hydrogen atom have one electron in their 1s orbital. So the two atomic orbital of hydrogen atom combines to form two molecular orbitals, which is sigma 1 and second is sigma star. Sigma 1 is called as bonding molecular orbital and sigma star is called as antibonding molecular orbital. As we know that sigma or bonding molecular orbital is lower in energy, while the antibonding molecular orbital are higher in energy. So according to the Pauli's exclusive principle, Hund's rule and above principle, we can feel the electron from lower energy to higher energy. So here we have two electron from each hydrogen atom. So we firstly feel two electron in lower energy, that is 1 and 2. So there is no electron for antibonding molecular orbital. Now we can calculate bond order for hydrogen atom. So we have formula bond order is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So here are two bonding electron. So we take here 2 minus, there is no antibonding molecular electron, so we take it as 0 divided by 2, here is 1. So we get one bond order. That means in between hydrogen molecule there is a single bond. Now let's take a next example, that is nitrogen atom. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Same here for second nitrogen atom, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p, 2px, 2py and 2pz. We have three orbitals. So let's see how the electron is filled in nitrogen atom. Here is the molecular orbital energy diagram for N2 molecule. Thus in nitrogen molecule, 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py and 2pz orbitals will be involved in bonding, but here is the 1s orbital. So let's take 1s2 and for second nitrogen atom 1s2. So according to electron filling rule, here 2 electron and second 2 electron enter into sigma star. So the first 2 electron enter into sigma orbital, that is bonding molecular orbital, and next 2 electron enter into antibonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star. This is for 1s2. Then for 2s2 there is also a 2 electron in 2s orbital of one nitrogen atom and 2 electron in 2s orbital of second nitrogen atom. So energetically first 2 electron enter into lower energetical orbital and next 2 electron enter into higher energy orbital. So first 2 electron in sigma 2s orbital and second 2 electron enter into sigma star 2s orbital. Now we have 2px, 2py and 2pz electron from both nitrogen atom. Here are one electron in 2px, 2py and 2pz, also 2px, 2py and 2pz. Now we know that there is a formation of pi bond in nitrogen atom. So there is 2 pi bond. That's why the stability of pi bond is lower as compared to sigma bond. That's why these 2 orbitals are lower in energy as compared to sigma bond in nitrogen atom. So the first electron enter into 2px orbital, second 2 electron enter into 2py orbital, and then there is a sigma 2pz orbital. Here the last 2 electron enter into sigma 2pz orbital. Here the antibonding molecular orbital of nitrogen atom. These are 3 antibonding molecular orbital of nitrogen, and these are 3 bonding molecular orbital of nitrogen atom. So now let's calculate the bond order for nitrogen atom. We have formula bond order is equal to number of electron in BMO minus number of electron in ABMO divided by 2. So let's calculate the bonding molecular orbital electron. 2 electron from 1s, 2 electron from 2s, that is 4, and 6 electron from 2p3 orbital. So we have 10 electron in bonding molecular orbital minus here 2 electron from sigma star 1s orbital and 2 electron from sigma star 2s orbital. These are 4 electrons. So minus 4 divided by 2. So 6 by 2 we get 3. So in nitrogen atom there is triple bond. We know that nitrogen molecule is made up of 3 bonds, from which 2 are pi bond and 1 is sigma bond.